In this video, I want to share with you the 4 words, just 4 words that can make a powerful difference anytime that you're entering into a high-stakes presentation. Now, a high-stakes presentation, that might mean that you are going in front of investors with your business idea. Maybe you're pitching for money, or maybe you're just presenting to your boss or to your team, and you have an idea that you need to share, a vision, and you need people to get enrolled. And these 4 words can help you to do just that. So, as you're planning for the presentation, plug in these 4 words and see what shows up. Here they are. I've thought this through. I've thought this through can help to guide you in the presentation or the conversation that you're about to have. When you think something through, you not only consider your content, but also the context for your initiative. And that context can be so vital. Why? Because it forces you to look at impact. In other words, it's not enough just to have an idea. What does this idea mean to your investor, your boss, your customer, your team? What are the puts and takes that are going to be the result of your proposal? And there are 2 questions on anyone's mind anytime that you come forward with a new initiative. And I want to share those 2 questions with you because the 4 words plus 2 questions can help you to create new results. Those 2 questions are, first of all, what does it cost? And the second, what does it make? It's counterintuitive, but you need to take the second question first and take a look at what your initiative, your idea is going to make or create. In other words, looking at potential is the first step in thinking things through. And not just the potential for yourself, but the potential for the person you wish to influence, your boss, your clients, your investors, your board of directors, your team. Think about how your idea impacts them. And then your cost is put into a context that makes sense. Cost without context is meaningless, and anything you suggest can appear too expensive if it doesn't have the right context for your idea. When you focus on thinking things through, it helps to drive the way that you move towards questions and answers. Inevitably, in any good idea conversation, there are going to be questions people are going to need to know, and they're going to be looking in the direction of impact. That impact comes from their own personal point of view. In other words, what does this initiative mean to me specifically? Now, for investors and clients, customers, they may be looking in the direction of what does this mean to the market? What does this mean to my company? What does this mean to the people that I serve? And when you think things through, you see their perspective. In fact, your success depends on your ability to see things that others don't or won't or can't, because you are looking in the direction of impact. When you think things through, you share a confidence in your ideas, a point of view that isn't arrogant, that isn't locked down in a perspective that says, look, I've got all the answers because I've thought this through. But it's a starting place, and when you look in that direction, you look in the direction of the concerns of the people that matter most to you. You share their concerns. You think through the impact. Think of the ripple effect. Think of what might happen as a result of the initiative that you propose. And consider those puts and takes from the perspective of the person you wish to influence the most. By looking in the direction of thinking things through, looking in the direction of impact, you can help to answer those 2 vital questions. How much does it cost, and how much does it make? Provide the context that you need, the context that your listener, your audience needs, and share that you've thought things through from their perspective. It's from that common ground, that connection, that you can bring your passion, your ideas, and your initiatives to life.